Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about Klaviyo versus Mailchimp. Which is better in e-commerce? Now, first thing, ease of use. Klaviyo's interface is intuitive, but the complexity of some of its features means that there's a decent learning curve. Now for Mailchimp is designed for a general audience, particularly small businesses owners, easy for beginners to pick up right away. Now for pricing, Klaviyo has a competitive price at $20 per month for 500 contacts, but nearly double Mailchimp's cost if you have a big list. Now for Mailchimp is $19 per month for 500 contacts, and is cheaper than Klaviyo at high volumes. All plans include landing pages and social posting. Now for e-commerce, Klaviyo has 5 stars. Klaviyo's workflows, automation, personalization, and customer data platform and AI features make it a superior e-commerce option. For Mailchimp has fewer features but good for smaller shops looking for an all-in-one e-commerce and marketing solution, including email, SMS, website, landing pages, pop-ups, ads, social posts, and surveys. Now for marketing automation, Klaviyo's world-class automation features. Klaviyo has segments, AI, and flows. AI speed up the personalization and automation process. For Mailchimp has 100 plus automation templates, though not as advanced as Klaviyo, and there is no automation on the free plan. For AI features, AI powers Klaviyo's predictive analytics. It shows up throughout the product. Now for with Mailchimp, you can use AI to automate personalized campaigns, write content, and quickly generate on brand designs. For analytics, Klaviyo has a dozen of pre-built reporting options covering anything you might need. For Mailchimp's analytics are powerful and easy to understand, with e-commerce stats, engaging visualization, built-in click, maps, and more. Now for integration, Klaviyo has 350 plus native integrations, also integrates with Zapier. For Mailchimp has 330 plus native integrations and also integrates with Zapier. Now that's it. Thanks for watching.